Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech, I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Facebook post. So first thing, open the Facebook and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top left. Tap that profile. Here in the profile page, you scroll down to the post to which you want to turn off the comments for. So I'm just gonna go and turn off the comments for my cover photo. For that, you tap on the dotted lines above the photo, tap that. This will give you these options. And in here, you need to tap on who can comment on your post. Tap that. This will give you the list of options where you can make the changes. So currently, the setting is saved to public. So if you do not want everyone to comment on your Facebook post, you can choose friend option. With this, only the friend on your Facebook will be able to comment on Facebook post. If you choose friend and establish followers, your friends on Facebook and the people who have followed your page for more than 24 hours will be able to comment on your Facebook post. Likewise, if you tap on profile and page you mention, people from only profile and page you mention will be able to comment on that particular Facebook post. So from all the options, I'm going to choose the friend. With this, only my friend on Facebook will be able to comment on that photo of my Facebook that you tap on done. So this is a way how you can turn off comments on Facebook post. You cannot completely turn off the comments, but you can choose the people who can comment on your post. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.